So some positive cues coming through. Of course, Axis has been proven wrong a couple of times, so you want to take that with caution. But outside of that, that's the other development coming through. A percent higher on the Nifty, as was anticipated based on the GIFT Nifty move early this morning. 260 positive points is how the Nifty has opened up. And the Nifty Bank, wow, that's supportive. 1.5% higher and looking cheery this morning on the Nifty Bank, especially on the private banking side. 2% higher on HDFC. Yes Bank also doing well. Fed Bank up around 1.5% plus. SBI, Bob, Union Bank are some of the PSU banks which are supportive. PNB and Can Bank holding in the red, but outside of that, pretty much all of your private sector banks, major ones, outside of Axis are trading 1% plus higher. Axis too now 1% plus higher. So you're seeing some very decent moves across the board, and banking really supporting the index early this morning. I want to quickly look at contributors as well, and within that contributors basket, no surprise, it's all private sector banks, and then there's L&T and Reliance. And when you've got a day like this, you're likely to see a decent kind of outing, at least to start the day off, is what we're seeing. In terms of the broader markets, it's a very decent move, 1.5% higher on both the Nifty mid cap and small cap indices, you know that some of these moves are being held up very well, even sectorally. When you're looking at sectors, pretty much all sectors in the green. 0.5% higher on the Nifty IT index. Pharma also up half. FMCG up around 7/10. Energy, metals, oil and gas. The Nifty PSU Bank. Auto is up nearly 2%. Realty is up 2.5%. Defense is up 2%. Bridging for all of the losses that we've made yesterday on some of these sectoral names. You're seeing some very decent moves across the board on the sectoral indices as well. In terms of, and I wonder what's moving some of these sectors, the Nifty Realty, if we can pull up the constituents there to try and get a sense. The Nifty Defense also curious to know. Auto also, I'm curious to know what the stock tilt really looks like. If we can pull up that chart where we have all of the stocks in every sector. Shriram Finance is the top gainer on the Nifty 50 index. Interglobe also doing very well for itself. Cooling crude, clearly positive for both of those. L&T, Trent, Bajaj Finance on the other gainers in trade. It's all crude linked, essentially. 2% higher on an Eternal as well. iShares up 1.9 as well. Maruti, Adani Enterprises, HDFC Bank. Those are some of the top gainers on the Nifty index. There's 3 losers on the Nifty. I mean, we're 2 to 3 minutes into open, so I'd start relying on some of the data coming our way. Just 3 losers, ONGC being the top one, Tata Steel, Tech Mahindra the other 2. Tech Mahindra just by a very small margin. It's absolutely flat actually, but nonetheless trading in the red. I'm also curious to know what Tata Power is doing early this morning. Rasayan cooled off from where it had started off pre-open. Astral is up 2%, so holding steady. We've got Sagility up 2.5%, Tata Power up 1%, Vedanta up 2.3%. Those are just some of the buzzers for you based on news. Vaishali, how would you rate the start?
Well, it's a good optimistic start, and I think